So, David, are retailers actually using these agents already today? And if so, how are they using them?
Yeah, it's not quite as prevalent right now because it is pretty
Okay.
new, but for sure. So a great example is Amazon uses agents to do a lot of Java upgrades. Sounds like a boring task, but we have like 30,000 Java applications that need to be upgraded from an older version to a newer version. And we have agents that go through and do that. And it saved us about $260 million last year. Uh,
Wow.
and in addition to just doing those upgrades, they'll also build unit tests and they'll do documentation and things like that. And we've got some other retailers doing some cool stuff like Tapestry, the luxury retailer.
hmm
They actually have an agent that helps find data and answer questions. It will take your textual question, figure out what database it needs to answer that, convert it to SQL, do the SQL query, and come back with a English answer. So it's kind of like an analyst, but it gives the business a chance to be able to get this information without necessarily having to create all sorts of weird SQL queries. And then we have a tire retailer who's giving recommendations for tires. So you, for example, can say what make and model you have and what you use your car for, and it goes and hits several different resources to figure out what the best tire recommendation might be. And it kind of gives you the reasoning behind why it recommends one tire over another, which I think is pretty unique.